This year, definitely connecting with the students, getting to know them and keeping like a kind of student-centered approach, getting to know them as an individual and then trying to gear my instruction towards what their needs actually are. Say definitely first and foremost getting that quality time with the student, and that got so much buy-in from the student just because they got that attention and felt special, getting that time. But then also the questions of digging deeper and finding out what are they interested in, even how that has changed over the course of the year, already to that point. What were they interested in? What do they actually feel are their preferred learning styles? So he expressed a huge interest in technology and learning different programs with technology. And I know he's one of the younger in his family, and without the interview, I just felt like he was that kid who's always wanting more time on computers, more time playing games and things like that. The last to log off for the day when, they have to put it away. And so, but knowing that it was actually like a passion of his, helped me to kind of see the bigger picture in what his interests would be and where we could go from there. Definitely, as he was able to learn more about different aspects or programs using the computers, but then him teaching the other students about how he did that. So as he could share what he had created or worked on in his projects, and he could share it with other students, and that just kind of ignited this fire of asking him how to do that, and he became the instructor, and then that built his self-esteem, and he was then creating more connections with other students that he didn't have in the past. Really, the power of that one-on-one interview, and applying that different ways. The second grade team actually did a little change on the interview, but more focused on their reading style and what makes them passionate. Where do they find their joy in reading? And doing even like a daily survey. What did you feel joy in reading today? And having them again share out and reinforcing those connections with others, but how much information you really get about them, socially, emotionally, academically, all of it together in one interview, and it's worth it. That like the creativity and other students then approaching something as, okay, we learned about this, but how can I make it my own? And even if it wasn't a technology piece, but finding their own ways to share the information or what they learned with other students or with me. Because at the end of the day, are they mastering that content or that standard, and to get away from my own tendencies or traditions of, well, I need it to be marked on this worksheet or this test page, but when they're actually showing me in an even better way, that they didn't just mark the right answer, but they're showing me how they could teach it. So. Use more frequently, checking in with them, just keeping that gauge of where they're at with the learning process. How comfortable do they feel that they are with something? And again, being flexible with, what would this look like? How would you show somebody you understood this concept? And then just from the get-go, getting more input with what they think it looks like. And then really more engaging with the lessons, individual lessons, that maybe he wouldn't be previously. He was more connected with his peers. His attendance was honestly improved. Like his passion for what he was doing and his joy for it and wanting to share that with others, like on so many levels, just increased. I think he didn't feel very connected to school before, and now he definitely feels that he's part of the whole community in the room.